Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Controller Extension, messages like success, info, warning and error. A controller extension in Salesforce allows us to extend or override the functionality of a standard controller while retaining some of its built-in behavior. This is particularly useful when we need to add custom logic to a Visualforce page but still want to leverage the power and simplicity of the standard controller like querying, saving, and record management. A controller extension is an Apex class that extends the functionality of a standard or custom controller. Although a controller extension class executes in system mode, if a controller extension extends a standard controller, the logic from the standard controller does not execute in system mode. Let's see an example. We need to extend a standard controller to add a custom button for a special action. Let's say we have an account record displayed on a Visualforce page using the standard controller. However, the business requires a custom button called Save to save the records. We need to add this custom logic using a controller extension. This page will use the built-in standard controller for basic operations. Success info warning error message. Success displays the success message when the record gets saved successfully. Info displays the information message. Warning displays the warning message. Error displays the message when an error occurs. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. To create the Visualforce page and Apex class, we need to click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. So we need to click on File, New, Apex class. Here I am providing the class name Visualforce Controller Extension. Click OK. Class name is Visualforce Controller Extension. Here we are writing public account get set public Visualforce Controller Extension. This is the controller. Apex pages dot standard controller. This account controller dot get records. So this is getting the record. Public page reference save method. This is the save method what we need to create here. Try upsert account. So in this case, if the account exists, it will update, otherwise it will create a new account. So save or update the account. Apex pages dot add message, new apex pages dot message, apex pages dot cvrt dot confirm. Up to here, this is keyword what we need to provide. But it is going to be based on situation. Like if we are putting confirm, then it is success message. If we are putting info, then it is providing the information message. So here I am providing the information message like new account inserted successfully. And dot warning is a warning message, good to save all values, means this is only a warning message. And if it executes in catch block, then we are displaying the error. So dot error message, and e.getMessage is displaying the actual error what we are getting from the page. So next we need to create a Visualforce page. File, new, Visualforce page. Visualforce Controller Extension. I am taking the same name as Apex class. Click OK. So in this page we are using a standard controller account and extension we are using VF controller extension, this class name, and then Apex form. Then page messages is what it is going to display the message. This Apex pages dot add message, it is going to display all the messages. Then Apex page block title, create account. Apex page block section column, it is making one. Account fields, Apex input field value account dot name, then account dot phone, then account dot industry. Three fields we are taking. Then Apex page block section is closing. Then save button. The save button is getting called from here. This. So command button value equals to save and action it is performing from Apex class save. Then Apex page block is closing. Then Apex form. Then Apex page. Save this. Both Apex class and Visualforce page we need to save. Then on being a Visualforce page there is a preview button. We need to click on this. So it is displaying like this. Create account, our title is there, name, phone and industry. Create account, name, phone and industry. Here first I am simply clicking on save button. So it is throwing the error message, account name you must enter a value. So error message from where we are getting? In the developer console in the Apex class, from catch block exception it is giving the error message. Error message this one. And this e.getMessage is giving the particular message you must enter a value. Then again coming to Visualforce page, clicking on view, clicking on preview button. So now I am providing here name Rohit and skipping this both the values, clicking save button. So now we are getting warning message, good to save all values, means it is saying that you have to provide all the values, name, phone and industry. Info message, new account inserted successfully, means this account name is inserted in our account database, and success message is it is successfully saved, this particular account name. So like this we are dealing with controller extension and messages like success, info, warning and error. Thank you.